Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. It looks like today we're doing number 183. Let's start with this box here. Looks like we're missing a 3 and a 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this row then we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this row, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 4 and 6 here. So 8, 4 there makes this a 6 and 4. So for this box, then we're missing 1 and 5. And I don't see any help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. For this box, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got a 3 and 9 here, so this is our 6, but no other help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. If we look at this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 7, a 4 here, so 6, 7, and a 7 here. So 4, 6. For this column, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 9, a 4 here, so 8, 9, and a 9 here, so 4, 8. If we look at this box, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. Got an 8 here, so 4, 7, a 7 here, so 4, 8, and same here, 4, 8. That means that our 7 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 8, and a 7 here. So 4, 8. Look at this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got a 1 and 2 here. So this is our 8. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, 5, and 6. We've got 3, 4, and 6 in this column, so this is our 5. We've got the 4 here and a 6 here. Well, that actually means then, of course, that this is our 3. We've got a 6 here, so this is our 4, 6, 7, 4, 8, 8, 7, 4, 8. This 8 makes this our 9, 4. If we look at this box now, we're missing a 3 and an 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this box, we're missing a 2. For this row, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. Got a 5 here. So 1, 7, no help here, 1, 5, 7, and a 7 here, so 1, 5. For this row, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here and a 6 here, so 7. And no help over here, so 6, 9, 6, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here. So 1, 6. That 1 makes this our 5, 1. That 1 makes this our 5. And that 7 makes this our 1, so this is our 7. So for this row now, we're missing a 3 and a 5. We've got a 5 here. And this is our 5. That 3 makes this our 9, 3. And that 9 makes this our 6 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.